In this video tutorial, guys, we'll be looking at how we divide numbers. So dividing numbers using specifically the bus stop method for short division. So for us to work out 72 divided by 3, okay? So setting up here our bus stops, let's here draw a little bus stop. Okay, 72 goes inside the bus stop, and the divisor, which is 3, goes on outside the bus stop, okay? And then here is the process. I say how many 3 is going to 7? Well, 3 is going to 7 twice fully, with the remainder of 1 or a leftover of 1, because here the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, okay, so on and so forth. Okay, dot. Okay, so 3 goes into 7 twice fully, and 7 is, 1 more bigger than 6. Okay, so that's multiple of 3, hence why I've got a leftover of 1. Next, how many 3's go into 12? Well, it goes in 4 times fully with no remainder. Okay, so our answer is 24. Okay, so that's how we divide. Okay, let's just try one more here just for completeness. Let's say I want to work out 84, okay, divided by 6. Okay, so 84 divided by 6. Okay, so again, let's set up our bus stop. Okay, we're gonna have 84. Okay, goes inside my bus stop, and then the divisor, so what I'm dividing by, goes outside the bus stop. In this case here, it's going to be 6. Okay, and again, watch the process. Okay, so I say how many 6's go into 8? Well, it goes in once fully with a remainder or a leftover of 2. How many 6's go into 24? Well, that's going to be 4. Okay, because 4 6's make 24, so our answer would be 14. Okay, okay, so that is how we do the short division, okay, using the bus stop. Okay, again, obviously, make sure that whatever you carry goes on your like the next number. Of course, it can get more complex when I have like decimals or reoccurring decimals or non-whole number answers. Again, I'll do like a separate video for that. But this was just looking at some basic-ish examples for dividing. Okay, and this was taken from a Key Stage 2 Maths SAT past paper. Okay, for the 2024 exam cohort or exam season. Okay, so last summer's exam. Okay, last calendar year, you could say. Okay, and that, guys, is how we do short division. Okay, using the bus stop method. Okay, so the key things to remember are obviously write out your times tables of the number if you're unsure. So here I'm gonna write down 6, okay, 12, okay, 18, 24, okay, 30, and then so on and so forth. Okay, and obviously always refer back here to your multiples or your times tables of that number, and work from left to right. Okay, so how many 6's go into 8? It goes in once fully with the remainder of 2 or a leftover of 2. And then I say how many 6's go into 24? That goes in 4 times fully with no remainder. Okay, so my answer here to 84 divided by 6 is 14. Okay, and here, 72 divided by 3. Again, just obviously recap just briefly before I end the video. How many 3's go into 7? It goes in twice fully with the remainder or a leftover of 1. I'm going to say how many times does 3 go into 12? It goes in 4 times fully with no remainder. So our answer is 24. Okay, thank you very much.